Emotional well-being at the Wellbeing Sanctuary. The daily demands of life can often disrupt our emotional balance, leading to anxiety, depression, and overwhelm. Energy healing offers a way to counteract these effects and restore harmony within ourselves. At the Wellbeing Sanctuary, we believe in the transformative power of energy healing to restore emotional equilibrium and promote lasting peace. Techniques such as Reiki, chakra balancing, and aura cleansing are not just gentle, but profoundly effective in clearing energetic blockages, releasing emotional tension, and fostering a deep sense of relaxation. When we achieve emotional balance, our resilience to stress improves, our relationships flourish, and we enjoy a deeper sense of inner peace. By releasing stagnant energy and negative emotions, we open the door to greater emotional freedom and wellness. The benefits are numerous and far-reaching, including stress reduction, alleviates the physical and emotional toll of stress. Emotional release, helps let go of pent-up emotions and trauma. Increased resilience, strengthens our ability to handle life's challenges. Improved mood, enhances overall happiness and emotional stability. Enhanced self-awareness, deepens our understanding of ourselves and our needs. Integrate energy healing into your life by scheduling regular sessions. Engage with a qualified practitioner for consistent support. Practice self-care rituals. Incorporate meditation and breathwork into your daily routine. Learn self-healing techniques. Empower yourself by learning different energy healing techniques. Your journey to emotional wellness starts here. Our experienced practitioners provide personalized sessions in chakra balancing, Reiki, and crystal healing, all aimed at helping you restore balance and cultivate greater well-being. Contact us today to schedule a session.